butterfly touch. Waltz away. Wrap your lady. Forward waltz. Ladies roll across the left open. Through twinkle. Through face closing it. Side canters twice to butterfly. Going to reverse waltz away. Wrap your lady. Forward waltz. Ladies roll across the left open. Through twinkle. Through your face close. Twirl vine. Pick up. Diamond turn. Forward waltz. Ladies drift away from your partner. Twinkle through twice. Back to close position. Turn left and right shots in the manager. Into the side. In and out run. Maneuver. Right turns twice to face line on hands. Then one side.